I'm basically from the network background and the infra part.
Right.
So once I was getting into things, networking and all the other stuff, cybersecurity, basically for any organization, including manufacturing. Based on these three pillars, we
Understand, in manufacturing environment, how does OT security play a role? You can throw some light for our viewers, please.
That's a very good question. Let me try to answer it. It can take care of the maximum load. So what we did, instead of getting the mails directly into Electrosteel, spam and ransomware attack, virus, and
With latest cyber attacks. Society.
okay, that is my passion and that remains.
Super. Absolutely. Wonderful talking to you, Swarup.